How to clear history for journaling suggestions on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now make sure you go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down and in here tap on Journaling Suggestions. Then we scroll down and tap on Clear History. Now it here, do you want to clear the history of journaling suggestions? Then tap on Clear History, and that's it. Everything is all cleared for journaling suggestions. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.